Ndereti ino irironekete gukirirwo kwa ihinda itumurirwo ni mucirithania Njoki Ndung'u uria uma hamwe na minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang igongona-ini ria gutuga arutwo thukuru-ini wa Pangani.
This will remain in school history.
Njoki akiuga kuhitukia riendekithia tariri ni gukuhotomia githomo kia arutwo aingi oro undu umwe na gucungiriria uhaguku wa mitugo.
Why would we as a sane government say that our children should be allowed to have consensual sexual activity when they should be in school?
Uge uyu ukenyitwo baru ni minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'i uria uhinyiriirie wirutiri wa thirikari hari kugacirithia meikarire ya mbeu njithi.
We can never be mad enough to support that kind of nonsense of lowering the consent age. There's some madness that some people get engaged in that is so difficult to understand. I mean, how on earth, and yani ni kazi umekosa, how can we be debating about endangering the lives of our children in that kind of manner?
Ndereti ino yendekithitio ni acirithania atatu kuma igoti ria gucokia macira riko makienda miaka ino inyihio kuma 18 nginyagia 16 undu uria watungirio uregani munene aciari aingi magitigira ciana ciao guikara ikurirwo maitho ni ng'ang'i na macungiririo ari kuohanda na uhaguku wa mitugo gatagati ka mbeu njithi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.